When I'm walking, and I'm walking down. People talking about you walking up and in my town. When I say that I'm walking over with my flow. Let me tell you people, yes it is what I know. Walking over here, the walking up and walking down. People say they're walking from their town to town. Walking over here, that's good for my body now. People talking about why you walking now. So when I wanna walk and when I wanna talk and when I want to walk today, the people telling me that why I'm over here, they're trying to go and walk my way. I'm walking over here, the up the hill, the down the hill, the end of what I see. I'm walking over there, the coming over there, the walking in between the trees. I'm walking barefoot and walking with some socks and walking also with some shoes. People talk about the other people, yes I know you wanna walk it too. If you wanna walk it out the end, you wanna walk it with the word to say. People let me tell you this, and when I'm gonna walking up and hear my way. Yes I'm gonna walk and when I'm gonna walk and when I'm walking for me. I'm still trying to get my body right, so I'm walking up with a D. I'm walking with my friends just to talking up and just to go and waste the time. Still over here to talk about the people, but it's saying that it's my time. Now that it's your time and your time and that I wanna walk. Now we're gonna meet over at the spot so we could go and walk. Walking every day, every single time, and now we're gonna feel right. People talking about that I'm over here, that when I wanna walk tonight. When I say I walk, when you wanna walk, yes I really wanna walk. If you wanna go and walk, everybody say you need to start your walk. If you wanna walk, if you're gonna walk, please go and start your walk. Start it kinda slow, pick up your pace, when you gonna get your walk. Some people walking fast, other people saying they walking slow. Still over here talking about the people saying they wanna walk some more. Walking over there with the phone in hand, looking at what they see. Other people trying to go over there and see the scenery. When you gonna walk? Everybody walking for you. Walking so good over here today, yes I keep it true. Yes I'm walking up and yes I'm walking down when I walk it every day. People telling me, hey, do you know walking is where I stay? Walking in the city, walking in the town, walking in the country. People's over there, some people's over there trying to walk to me. Walk away from me, walking in the country, trying to get your money on. People talking about people's over there, some just smell it wrong. Some need to go do what they gotta do, but they still won't. Still over there, some getting big, but still they will walk. Keep on the consistency and you keeping it so real. Then you gonna see all their results when it comes just for real. When I come to walk, when I'm gonna walk, yes I was gonna walk. Coming over here today when the people saying that I will walk. When I'm gonna walk, every time I walk, and when I walk here today. People telling me I am the J and I'm walking here my way. When I see you over here and over there, when I'm gonna walk. People telling me, do you know I'm over here just to walk? Yes, I'm walking up, I wanna walk the talk, I'm walking up on the block. People's over here talking about I'm the one saying you not. Yes, I'm walking up and yes, I'm walking down. Yes, I'm walking in your city. Walking over here, walking over there, walking up an Indy. Walking over here, walking over there, walking what I say. Walking over here, people people telling me what